Hi everybody, it's me, Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making a banana split. A banana split is basically a delicious dessert with a banana and ice cream. The ingredients that we're using are chocolate chip ice cream, vanilla ice cream, mint chip ice cream. See these two, the chocolate syrup and caramel. Aidan Awesome secret hack. Put them in warm water so it's easier to pour because they're hard. Now they're easier to pour. Cocoa rolls, whipped cream, sprinkles, a banana, magnificent marshmallows, chocolate chips, which are also magnificent, and that's all for ingredients. The items that we're using are a cutting board, a knife, like we always do, a piping bag, spoon, a container to serve it in, a scooper, and a bowl. Another Aidan Awesome hack, put a hot bowl of water with your scooper so it's easier to dig in your ice cream. And perfect to scoop ice cream with. The first step, guys, is cut off the top of the banana like a banana murder. I chopped off its head. Score the banana like we always do. Score, score, score. Now we want to start peeling it. Peely, like Peely from Fortnite. Bye bye Peely, your skin's going away. Now, cut it in half very carefully. Because guys, this is the most important part. And now, we want to set our knife aside, grab our container, pick up our banana carefully, open the halves, put one half on each side of the bowl, like that. It fell. Now, time to get our scooper and our first chocolate chip ice cream and start scooping. Look, guys, my hack's working. Ice cream scooping like butter. Worked. Scoop your ice cream. 2 scoops. Turn it over, put the lid, wash it with the bowl of water. Uh-oh, we spilled. But it's okay. Grab the vanilla. Ooh, nice and silky. Ooh, creamy galore. Oh, perfect scoop of minty galore. Grabbing the whipped cream, taking the plastic off. Wow, look at all that luscious, creamy goodness. And now, guys, we want to grab our parking bag. Fold it down like this. Grab a spoon. Ooh, look at how good it looks. Put it all over. It doesn't matter, guys, if it goes all over the place. Almost too much. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Start pushing the cream down the hatch. Start going all over. Uh-oh, it spilled a little. It's fine. We can get more. Got our whipped cream. Grab our luscious, marshy goodness. Sprinkle all over. Now grab our chocolate chips. Put them all over. Sprinkles. Put it all over. Now, best part. Chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup. Now, see all that caramel? Drizzle some in our spoon and start drizzling over. Grab our cocoa rolls. Cross them like that. Wow. Now, guys, I can't believe we made a banana split. Can I tell you why I like them? Because they're delicious. You can eat them with your whole family. You can even get them at a store with ice cream. It's time to try. So good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and select all on the notifications. See you next time. Bye.